37.5 miles per hour. That's about what the scooter would do. So it's got the power, but just not geared right. Not practical, as I expected. But yeah, it's not bad. Brakes are horrible on this bike too, because they're drums. So I just need to upgrade the whole thing to a bigger chassis. Just basically raise everything up. I mean, this would be good for just kind of scooting around on, but certainly not practical. But it didn't cost much to build it. The new battery, this one that my phone's Velcroed to right now, that was on sale. I got a $14 off coupon from Harbor Freight, so it was barely $50. That's normally about a $70 battery. Their other ones are old. They were probably close to $60 each many, many years ago, so they're kind of worn out. All in all, that's about what I expected. So that's pretty much it. Until next time.